how to make money online playing games or how to get fed by playing games. So today video is some unique and excellent video that you can make money online with that. So what's up guys, my name is Na and you are watching Gain Money and Trick channel. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell notification. Whenever we upload new videos, you will be notified of that. And I would like to remind you that we do have more videos on how to make money online, how to get passive income, and how to work from home daily. So you can definitely watch these videos. What is suitable for you, you can just select and try your best to make money online with that. So in today's video, I will show you that how you can make or how you can simply play the games and that case and you can make the money with that. So let's jump into the main website. The main website is called getpaid2.com. So if you want to play games, simply you can just sign up with this website and you can make some extra cash with that. If you play games in your spare time, why not get paid for it? So playing games on Get Paid is an easy way to earn money online and get paid for your time with a wide selection of games including Sudoku, crossword or word search, Fool, JAXA, arcade games and more. If you have some spare time and enjoy online games, play them on Get Paid too. Earn GPT points, watch your earning grow, and then choose to dish them out via a wide range of options. So we have different ways to make money online with this website. It's not only on playing games that you can make money online. You can definitely just make money with surveys. There will be brilliant surveys online that you can just do it with that. Just complete the survey, different surveys from different trusted companies like Redfire, Theorem, Reach, Delia, your surveys or something like that. You can make money online with this. And you can also make money with quick points. You can earn quick points with easy way here that you will just complete some task or simple task and you can just generate some extra cash from that. And you can also just do it other ways. Offer walls is there that you will have different offer on offer walls that the most trusted company in the world are working with that you can also make money with this. So our main topic or target is how to make money online with games. So let's jump into games. So when you come to the games, these are the games that you can make money online with this. You can simply click the join free today. You can click here and you will be redirected to this page. Then you can add your username here, your password, your confirm password, and email address, then confirm email address here. And after that, you can select your name here, first name and last name here. Once you complete this, all the cells, then you can give your birth date, month, day, year here. Then you can choose your respected country that you are resident of that or you are currently living in that. So the best part is that it is worldwide, this website, and you can just choose scroll down or up, find your honor country, and once you find your country, for example, if you are from India, you can choose India here, or if you are from Pakistan, you can use Pakistan, or you are, for example, in Netherlands or something like that, Namibia, Noro, Nepal, Netherlands, or any country in the world is listed here. You can choose your country and your city, after that your zip code. So finally you can just click on the agree button, and I am not a robot, tick mark this one. If you want to have news information or something like that, you can choose yes please. If not, no, then select on no thank you. So after that, once you complete all these cells, then you can click on the complete registration. Once you click the complete registration, you will be signed into your account and you can simply just click on the games and then come down here and choose the best game what you like, what you are interested with that, and you can play very well. So in that case, you can make $100 or $10 very easily from just your smartphone or your PC and your home. You will not go up and down. So that is the most easy way and frequent and legit way to make money online with that. Simply you can launch the game and play the game. After that you will get paid to your bank account or something like that. And another part is that they have multiple ways for paying you the money, like bank transfer, which is the best option for money people that they don't have the Skrill, Bitcoin or Ethereum or Amazon.com gift card or PayPal. If you don't have these all, then you can simply click on the bank transfer, which is the most easy and secure way to make to transfer your money to your account. So once again, I would like to tell you that this is the most trusted and easy way to make money online with that, with taking surveys, playing games, earning quick funds, and browse offers, walls, or refer a friend. And you can also send your referral link to your friends and others or on social media and invite people to this website, and you can make some commission also in that case. So the people that you refer to getfit.com, you will also have the commission what they are earning there. So that is also the best part. So that is the whole review for GetFit 2, or the complete information that I have presented in today's video. So just I will leave you the link in the description of this video, and you can sign up for this brilliant website. If you like the video, please hit the like button and comment me below anything regarding how to make money online, even full-time jobs or part-time jobs. If you are new to our community, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new videos, you will be notified of that. So if you want more, so please visit our channel for making more extra money online with that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.